Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create this stacked 3D fishtail braid. Before starting, I leave some hair from the beginning for the stacked braid. So I take the section like this and leave it with the clip. Then I start the fishtail braid, that is our base braid. Take some hair and separate that in 2 pieces. Then start to take small sections from each side and move that under to the another side. After a few stitches, I start to adding hair. So every time I move the strand under to the another strand, I add some new hair. So take some hair from the left, add new hair, and bring the strand under to the other side. Small strand from right, under, add some hair with that strand you just moved, and add them to the other side. Then the left side, small strand under, add in, right strand under, add hair in, and move to the other side. Move the small strand from left under, add hair in, and add to the right side. Small strand from right under, add hair, and move to the left side. Once you've braided for a while, I leave the strand of hair out of the braid. I put it away with the section I left out first. Then I continue braiding like before. These sections I leave out are for the stacked braid, which I will create later on top of the fishtail braid. I will leave another strand of hair after some stitches. I think couple centimeters are great length between each strand. More thinner your hair is and more curvier your braid will be, the more you need to leave the strands out. So then just simply keep on repeating this braid in this way. Once you cannot add any more hair in, just keep on braiding, leaving the strands still out of the braid. I also suggest to pancake the braid, as the 3D braid will be show up much more better if the base braid is bigger one. Pancaking fishtail braids is easy, just pinch the edge of the stitch and pull it out. Next, I start with the 3D braid. First, I spray some water to the strands I left out. Then I start from the top. Separate the topmost piece in 4 sections. Start to move strands from side. Under 2 strands and then back to the same direction it came from. Under 2 and turn. Again, right under 2 and once to the right, then left under 2 and once to the left, rightmost under twice and and once to the right. Leftmost under twice and once to the left. Right one twice under and once to the right. Then leftmost twice under and once back to the left. Once you meet the first point where you leave some hair out on the fistail braid, add hair in. When you do this, remember to add some hair to each strand, at least 2 of them, so the braid will stay symmetrical. All the way down, repeat the same pattern, moving strand from side, under twice, then turn back to the direction it came from. Continue in this way until the 3D braid is on the same length with the Fishtail braid. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you are interested in more hairstyles, check out my Instagram profile called My Hairstyle XO. Have a great day and happy braiding!